Hello you guys, welcome to today's video. This tutorial, listen, these peacock brows, honey, I use Shades by Gal as well as Baptiste Beauty, two black owned company. One is Jamaican owned, one is American owned, and they're both shipping from America. Yo, black owned as well, male owned, female owned. Oh my goodness. Listen, the people I've been working with like for years, Shades by Gal, I'm say Shades by Gal, kick it off and I'm out of this. And then Jazzy came with the Baptiste Beauty, bro, and I've been on the Baptiste Beauty train. Choo Jazzy, choo. Hope you guys like it. I would really love to do more tutorials like this for next month. So if you've been enjoying this tutorial weekly, let me know, and I'd love to do more and more. You know, I have like crazy looks I want to do for you guys. But anyway, is it, you guys? Talk to you guys in the next one. Bye. Oh, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, tell Maria, auntie, uncle, sister, share the link. Yeah, comment if you want to comment. You don't have to comment, but you can watch it on. So what else? Make sure you have any data on your phone for watching my video. Baby, you have to prioritize. You have to prioritize, baby. Can't work. Your service, baby, put on your service. Baby, pay the bill. If you look up straight, pay the bill so you can watch my video. Okay, so I'm watching more people on it. Whatever, don't judge me. Whatever. I'm not doing this with you. Is you judging me? You're probably judging me. I'm gonna socks this. Yeah, sorry, I'm gonna put on the socks. Yeah, so I'm watching more people on Netflix. I like it. It's a nice feel-good thing. I tend to, as I told you guys, I watch things that I don't think you'd ever pinpoint me watching. Nobody can get like my movie playlist, or it's crazy. I watch really weird things. But yeah, I'm going to be doing my edges and makeup today. I should have gone on the road like 2 days ago, but I didn't, so I have to go today. I have the lashes that I have to pack out, and we will be having the lashes wholesale as well. They'll be for $800 wholesale, and then $1,000 for them. In the box it's $1,000, without the box it's $800. Not just $200 for the box. I'm just saying I can offer it within the other tray, but this is money. And also it's not $1,000 for the box. These boxes are expensive to be made, you see me? So I just gonna have the trays for the ones who want to buy it wholesale, you see me? So yeah, and that's for the 24th and on the 1st. But listen, I'm telling you, if the 24th were sold out, one of me for if I'm not fuck my watch if everything's sold out in Kingston, my love. Don't talk truth. And I've been finding, I think I found 3 large belts. One of them gone, 2 of them gone. I have 1 large belt left, and by the time the video go, probably gone already. So edge time, I'm gonna be using this and be watching my more people. I'm at episode 4. It's just nice.
Feeling like I should, I'm all good, never knew I could, I'm all good, feeling like I should, I'm all good, yeah. Never knew I could, I'm all good, I feel like I ain't never felt before. I was locked up in my head, but I ain't got to fret no more. Like Kobe in his prime, I rep that 24. 7 days a week, we put up points, who's even keeping the score? Let's run it back. Got it crazy where we at. Let me be me, let me rap. Rep that vision, it's a different map. Whip it down the less paved, singing on a different track. They know it's a different path. It's like a dream, so let me never wake up. I was so hung up on myself, just like a stick in the mud. A little time, a little patience. When I got tired of waiting, then I found that gem within me sticking out of the mud. And they gon' ask me why I do it, I'ma say just because. We gon' be the best on earth, just like we be at Emirates. Pass behind me like a book bag, hanging down a coat rack. Focused on the future, not that coulda, shoulda, would have. Feeling like I should, I'm all good, never knew I could, I'm all good, feeling like I should, I'm all good, never knew I could, I'm all good, it's like this, look, I feel just like I should, this that new me. I ain't really tripping if you hate it, you consume me. Moving so smooth, so easy like a layup. Riding on a wave, fall down, keep my head up, cause that's life. All this can't be bought for no price. Go and hit them brand new heights, take my shot like Mike. I
can't win them all, but I'll try. Don't got answers, but that's alright. Yeah.
Before my mama's reeling, but I ain't in my head no more. On the path to feeling good. Before my mama's reeling, but I ain't in my head no more. On the path to feeling good, feeling like I should. Feeling good, I'm all good. Never knew I could. Feeling good, I'm all good. Feeling like I should. I'm all good, I'm all good. Never knew I could. I'm all good, I'm all good. Feeling like I should. Feeling good, I'm all good. Never knew I could. I'm all good, feeling like I should.
Okay, so as usual, I'm going to lay my eyebrows flat. I'm gonna use my edge controller. I'm gonna use for my hair, for my edges. So after that, I take my foundation. This is my Shades by Girl foundation, and I use that as a base. I can use a white one. I can use like a white base or anything like that, but I use the foundation and it works really well. So now after that, I use a fluffy brush. You see the fluffy brush then for the eyebrow look here, it works so nicely. It go on nice. It's nice and easy to blend. And of course, how I blend my colors, I blend it to how I want to get it. So if you want to stop here with this two-tone color, you can do that. If you want to go further, how I've gone further, you can do that. This is just based on your own interpretation. Other times people say, oh, why never do this, why never do that? Baby, come on, never want to do that. I want me can do what me want to do. But if that's what you want to do, I'm showing you like the basic steps how to achieve it. So yeah, so it's just nice and fluffy. And I went in with a dense brush. No, it's the same fluffy brush for the ends, but just a darker color. So now to clean up, I use the LA Girl Pro Conceal in LA Girl highlighter, right, in fawn. This is in fawn, and this is a highlight. And also to go on top, I use my foundation with for my face mixed with this fawn that I use on top of the brows. I will show you guys in a couple seconds. But this, I love how it make it look. It give the white glow. Look at it. So normally how I do my brows and have that the white cast over, is that the halo look? No, it doesn't give that look, and I love it. So I like when my brows have that nice natural look on top. It just looks nice, and especially because I have like bold colors. Oh, it looks like they're my brows, and it just looks nice and melted and water, and I love it. Oh my goodness, I hope you guys are understanding. My fair hold my breath and I try talk, and I try speak to Jalil. Why am I talk to now? Jalil.
Yes, Mom.
Why you come right here, son, and tell us I'm doing a voiceover?
Because I'm scared.
Scared of what, Jalil?
Over there.
Jalil, I am on the bed. I'm on the bed with you on the bed. Oh, up the stuff if you make you afraid and doing it to make you afraid. Jesus fuck, my chest hurt me. Oh, so I use the same foundation that I used for my brow base as my the highlighter while you guys just saw, because it made the brows nice and like punchy. It highlights it way more. You see that? It just brings it out way more. I put it on my brow bone because I want that contrast. And I can see on top, I can see the foundation, the two-tone of my foundation on my skin, but it didn't leave the white cast like what I'm accustomed to. So this is strictly about the brows and contouring. I did not include the eyeshadow for this look. That was not done by design, but I'm like, all right, Holy Spirit, let's just go with it. I can probably recreate that eye look, but I have a lot of eye looks though. But I love that this is focusing on the foundation aspect of it. I'm using a fluffy brush. Now the thing I love, Jonathan, Jerry, can you wait please? Let me just finish this up on a sucum. You have to wait please. I find that these fluffy brushes work really nicely with these cream foundations, especially with the Sasha. It just nice and fluffy it out, isn't it? And look, because of how the brush is shaped as well, I can get into the crevices, and is that it's just a little part of my ear, and I got makeup up my ear and look something there. So them something they may pay attention to, especially when I do my client their makeup as well. So, and it just this brush is everything. It's just nice and fluffy, and it works well. I do have acne scarring. My acne scarring was worse a couple of years ago, but my skin has my skin. Why did I do that time? I do something. Give me the whistle. My skin has been clearing up. I have been drinking a lot, way more water than I thought I would have been drinking, which is kind of shocking to me. But look how close it me there. Brother, man, tell us the foundation, brother. I swear, like, nobody is coming against Sasha Cosmetics foundation. It's just so good. It works well here in Jamaica. When I was in Florida, Jesus God, with my face moisturized, it looked like skin. Cause I don't moisturize my face out here, you know. But somebody over there, moisturize my face, my love. Mighty God of Daniel, it looked like my skin, like, it's good. Like Sasha foundation, yeah. I stand Sasha foundation. So to highlight, I'm using Fawn again, and it's beautiful. It is beautiful. I don't really have like a highlighting shape or nothing. I just slap it on and then just what's it, blend out. But later on I'll be using a powder. The powder is Sasha Buttercup. No, that Sasha Buttercup is an OG, and I use the powder form, the loose powder, and I also use it for my to set my brow bone as well. And you guys see that later on in the video. But let me tell you, the glow, it's so good. It's really good. So I'm going to be using a small brush. I'm going to go on the edges, and then I'm going to go in. I didn't put it in the video, but after I'm done highlighting all over, I went in with the same brush I used for my foundation, and I blended it out. Blend it out nice and blended. Whew. All right, you guys, so I'm going to tend to these two. Please enjoy the video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'm going to play some music right now.
Bye.
Charlie.
And rise up. And rise up, ma.
Alright, so whenever blending out, I like to start from the inside and then blend down if I don't think I have enough of product, or if I have too much product, I start from the edges, blending down from the edges where there's less, and blend up into where there's more. Isn't able to have too much. If you have on too much product, I recommend blending from where you have the most product down to where you have the less, so you have a smoother blend. Now I took my highlight all over the center of my face. See that? Like almost like a mask. This is the Sasha Buttercup, you guys. It melts, and then because of the fluffy brush, this brush is like, it's a tapered fluffy brush that you use typically to highlight back in the day. Look at that. It's like it just melts into the skin. I'm in love, you know. The only thing is just to mess up my edges, but bro, it just applies. If I use that more dense brush, it would come off like photo shoot ready makeup, you know what I mean? But because I use a fluffier brush, it's just nice and like ear brushy. I love it. I absolutely love it. So that's a Buttercup again from Sasha Cosmetics, and all over I use Sasha Cosmetics powder as well. This is a Buttercup as well on my brow bone. So for my foundation, to set everywhere else, I use a Sasha foundation in Perfect Spice, Perfect Bronze, and Perfect Mocha. Now Perfect Spice and Bronze, that's what I use on my perimeters, and Perfect Mocha is what I use to do my low lighting. Here I'm still using the Buttercup. I love it. So this now is, so I have all my powders. You see the Sasha Buttercup is in the center. So it melts and look nice. I love it. So now I'm using the Mocha, the Perfect Mocha from the Sasha palette to do my low lighting. You see, it's a little bit darker. Now my all over face powders, as I said, I use the Perfect Spice mixed with the Perfect Bronze for my all over face powder. Okay, and in the middle, that is the Buttercup, and I went over the Sasha Buttercup with a little bit of Perfect Caramel as well. Now these are all Sasha Cosmetics foundation terms, my bad if you don't understand, and I'm going in the center of my face with Perfect Caramel again. I love this look. I love the contour, and the lashes pop it right off, you know, man. Right off. So now move on to blush. So I did an ombre brush. I'm always doing ombre blushes. It contours the face so nicely. It makes the face look fresh, youthful, young. It's good. It's beautiful. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put the orange right at the balls. At the closest the part of my cheeks closest to my nose, and then I'm going to use the red, and I'm going to be putting that closer to the corner of my eyes, and I'm going to be blending them. So we're going to have a nice gradient effect from orange to red. And I'm using the same brush to do this. Hey princess, I'm watching my niece now. I'm in the room with her. I don't know if you can hear Jelly is still listening to him something. I had music playing, but I wanted to explain what I'm doing, especially because I think this is important. Look in my hairline as well. I use the Perfect, oh princess, I use the Perfect Mocha in my hairline as well. It's a little bit darker, and I'm going back in now with the orange just to pump it up a little bit. Yeah, to reinforce it. Yeah, man. Look at that. The orange with the, it's beautiful, brother. And if I had known, I would have gone with a lighter powder foundation and go right under my eyes and just completely lighten up that aspect of my eyes, my guy.
I'm the baddest man alive. Gonna hate or believe, but please believe it makes no difference to me. Cause I'm the baddest man alive.
Oh man, taking the game ever higher. And we're here with a little taste of that fire.
Cause I'm the baddest man alive.
Oh damn, you know it's easy to see that there ain't no one of y'all can stand next to me.
Cause I'm the baddest man alive. Gonna bring me your closer. He's throwing ducks, I serve him up like I'm Sosa. Cause I'm the bad man. Ain't nothing special, I'm just a rebel. Looking bezeled, you boys is looking disheveled. Out of Nashville, that's Tennessee. I'm swinging fast, you gon' be thinking it's 10 of me. Don't want me as your enemy, I'll bury your name. Was buddy in these streets, now you forgot about the game. You got egg on your face like you ate a souffle. Now I'ma knock your top off like it's Trump's toupee. Now slow down, your rhymes are ass chomp. I know you gassed up, but I bet your finger wouldn't touch the trigger on a gas pump.